Sticky attack! Let's go. Let's go. Lucy. Oh no, you can go out there.
This way.
Yeah, John better run. John better run if it falls this way.
Not this.
You won't get hit if it falls this way. No, because he's not going to hit us in the yard. Yeah, but it's okay. Don't go out there. Oh. Well, actually, we can follow this. Yeah. Watch out!
Timber.
Ooh, Chicky! Blow your hair everywhere, huh? Oh, I sure could. Go down. Push it. I think it actually has to come this way because you can't push it the other way. There's a tree. Timber! Put your hands out. Timber! Do it. It's coming. It's coming. Did you? It's gonna break. Timber! John's falling your way, just so you know. John's gonna get hit. No, he isn't. Yeah, because it's falling his way. It's cracking, John. John, it's coming your way! Push it! Oh, push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. It's cracking!
I wouldn't be out there because I'm scared.
Yeah, especially not right there. It's cracking.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow! That was sweet. I gotta do another one.
That was scary.
Oh my god. It's gonna have a tornado.
Now the wind is mad.
It's gonna freeze. No, Mother Nature's like, you cut down one of my trees. Did you feel that? No, that wasn't bad. It was like fireworks. Did you get a piece of the tree? Nope, you didn't.
Can you say mad? Say boom. Boom.
Cut down another one! I'll just cut down a branch. Like it's like it's coming this way. Oh, he's not cut down.
Jackie, say done. Say done. Done.